The real problem isn't population explosion, but what the population is doing. Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Nived Kalyat and I am going to talk about population. Will it bring good or bad to the world? As we all know, the population of the world is changing at a rapid rate and is around 7.8 billion people, which is a huge number. But what will the population actually do in the future? Before we get into the topic, I would like to say some interesting facts about the population. The population is, as we discussed, 7.8 billion people, and if you could take every single person and stand them aside shoulder to shoulder, you could fit everyone in the state of Los Angeles. Unbelievable. And that is just standing them aside shoulder to shoulder. If you could take everyone, including their living arrangements, as in their house, schools, etc., you could fit everyone in the state of Texas. Crazy to think about it. And talking about the countries that hold the highest population, this would go to China and India, each having more than 1 billion people. India having around 1.32 billion and China having around 1.6 billion. So now that I have scaled the population of the planet, let's talk about the benefits and disasters. Let's just say as positives and negatives that the rising population could cause. Let's start off with the benefits or positives. The rising population could give us futuristic ideas about the upcoming generation, or even the youth of the upcoming generation could give us problematic solutions that the world is facing now. The rise of the population would increase manpower and labor. This would result in better quality of production and faster production. Planet is now having abundant resources and people are using them at a constant rate. The increase in population can help in making more resources in less amount of time. Another point is the verge of human extinction, well, which is highly unlikely as there are 7.8 billion people on the planet, but as the population increases, human dominance also increases. Now you all might be thinking, wow, increasing the population is wonderful, why do we even care about the negatives? There are a few negatives that you must take into consideration while looking at the positives. There are some negatives that you should take into consideration. As more and more people come into the planet, they use more and more resources, which leads, let's say, poor people having less amount of resources than they already have. And this wouldn't happen if more people take in activities like farming, labor, etc. People should start planting trees every day, as trees help us a lot. If we do not plant trees, the rising population will consume a lot of oxygen, which would make the ozone layer deplete and it will increase in global warming. Global warming is a huge problem, as you all know. The rising population would give less job opportunities to people, as many people would have the same interests, and there will always be some people who are better than the others. And the increase in population will also rapidly increase the pollution. People would start driving a lot of cars, burning fossil fuels, working in industries. Basically, population increase would drain the amount of resources that we have now. Did you guys know day by day a person just grows greedier and greedier and greedier? Mahatma Gandhi has also said there is enough resources for one's need but not for one's greed. Why people get greedy is not our concern. It's that they just have an initiative to make the resources available for all. So now that I've discussed both the positives and negatives, it's up to you whether you would like to support the growth of the population or be against it. I know you all want my point of view, and personally I think that the rise of the population is a bad thing, as all the resources will be gone. Already right now we are facing a lot of shortages like poverty, food, agriculture, etc. And the increase in population would just make that worse. And this isn't the only reason why I dislike the rise of the population. We can all live a good life, and our children will also live a good life. And if they have children, those are the ones who are going to suffer, as there is nobody in this planet who is taking the initiative right now to increase resources. Unless a person takes an initiative in increasing the resources, I will always be against the rise of the population. So I conclude my speech by saying it's your call. Thank you.